Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And I hope everyone's having a good day. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a the half tip, V-tip, and a French tip. So here I'm going to be showing how to do the half tip. What you're basically going to do is I'm going to start my brush off from the bottom and work my way up to the top like this. And then after I do that, I'm just going to straighten out the line and fill it in. So here's what it looks like. The half tips are pretty simple. You're just drawing a line, a slanted line across the nail. So the next one I'm going to show you is the V-tips. The V-tips are pretty much similar to the half tips, except you're going to be creating a V shape. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to start from the bottom, creating a straight line going all the way up. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I did mess up on this side. I will say one thing: when you are drawing your lines, you want to make sure you start from the middle. At least try to start in the middle, so that way when you work your way up, it'll be easier to create. Another thing is that you want to make sure that you have your nail on an angle, so that way it'll be easier for you to draw those lines. So as y'all can see, this is how it came out. It came out really nice and sleek. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do the French tips. Now, I know French tips can be a little hard to do, which I can say for myself. But the more you do it, the better you get at it. So what I do is I just create a line going upwards and make sure that is straight as possible. I do the same to the other side. So then I'm going to take my brush and create a U in between the two lines that I created. And as I'm using that brush, I am moving it, well, I'm brushing it upwards to make sure that it's straight. And as I'm filling it in, I'm making sure that I go back around my lines, making sure that it's nice and straight and making sure that it's even. And so here's the final look. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please comment below and I will do more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And I will see you guys in my next video.